This is how to delete document in MongoDB. First, run MongoDB Compass, connect your project, and choose your database. I'll choose shirt and I'll click stocks. And here you can see 3 documents. You just delete this by clicking this trash icon and just click delete. And if you're using Atlas, so under clusters, click browse collections. And choose the document you want to delete. And if you have chosen the document, just click this trash icon and click delete. And that is how to delete a document in MongoDB.